Well, hey there, adorable people. It's Miss Berger.
And Miss Lamb.
And we're going to talk a little more about fraction skills today, specifically converting a mixed number to an improper fraction.
Didn't you and Mr. Lamb just do improper to mixed?
Yep, and now we're going to do mixed to improper. So we're going the other way today.
So our learning target is I can convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. A mixed number into an improper fraction.
Yep, and I can show evidence of my thinking on paper.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to, with this unit, write things down.
Absolutely.
All right, so let's get into how do I change a mixed number to an improper fraction? Sam, you want to take this one?
Sure. So we have our mixed number of 2 3/4, and we've got to figure out, well, let me just point to the model for a second. We've got 2 whole, and then we have 3 out of the 4 sections. Well, if I counted those, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 of them out of the little fourths. So how did we get that up here? Well, you're not going to always want to draw a picture. I mean, you could, but
you could. You could draw a picture and count.
But it's really easy. It's 4 times 2, 4 times 2, which is 8.
So multiply the bottom.
Multiply the bottom. Add the top. There's a big add the top. And then we add the 3. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. The denominator stays the same.
Stays the same the whole way through.
So that's all it is.
Perfect. So if we look at this other example, kind of same scenario, right? I have 4 2/3. So I have 4 whole, let's call them pizzas.
Sure.
4 whole pizzas broken into thirds, right? That's a big slice of pizza.
That's a big slice.
And then I have 2 out of the 3 pieces down here. So I count up here, I have 12 pieces, 13, 14, right? So 14 thirds. I could do that again, multiply the bottom, add the top, work my way around. 4 times 3, I did that backwards. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2, 14. And that denominator stays the same. So let's do some examples.
You want me to start?
You start.
All right.
Hold on, I'll give you a pen.
I'm going to do 9.
9.
And 3. Ooh, I'm going big. 4ths.
Woo!
9 3/4. Now, the way I always think of it, I'm converting, and I'm starting down here, and I'm converting this way. So I think of it as just my seed. I start here at 4, I times it by 9. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 more.
36.
Plus 3 is 39, and of course my denominator stays the same. Okay?
So simple, right? It
So
just seems so simple.
It seems so simple.
All right, let's try a different one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna, just kidding. I'm gonna check it out. So I'm gonna look at a lower number, right? So I'm gonna do like 2 5/7.
Ooh.
Right? And the 7s were never my friends growing up. Just those 7s in me, just really butted heads. But I can at least do 7 times 2. So remember, multiply the bottom, add the top, work your way around. So 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19, and that denominator stays the same.
Now, when we get this, typically when we see an improper fraction, we know, if it was a final answer, they would say you have to change
To make it a mixed number.
But in this case, we're doing this step so that we can use it to make our other problems easier. So this is a process that we're going to use within fractions.
A lot. When we multiply and divide fractions, we're going to use these improper fractions a lot.
Do we have time for one more?
I think we have time for one more. We're going to stay on the same page though, because I think I deleted another one. No, you're fine. Oh, sorry.
I need marker.
Marker.
5 and 1, 4.
Oh, that one's pretty good.
Pretty good. 4 times 5.
Oh, I was trying to give you a different color. Sorry.
All right.
I was trying to make it interesting.
That's all right. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is
21.
Over 4.
21.
So that's 10 years ago.
I know.
Or longer. Anyway, but that's okay.
All right.
That's all it is.
That's it, guys. So watch that next fractions video, and then we'll be back to you later with answers.
See you on the flip side.